Hey guys, Mike here, having a look at the LG Optimus G Pro and the Apple iPhone 5. Yeah, we're not going to give them a total comparison, just a quick look at this too. Of course, this is a newer device, this is a bit older, and it's a lot more compact, a lot smaller. Having the iPhone on top of the LG, going to notice which one is bigger, and that was expected since this one packs a 5.5-inch screen and this one only packs a 4-inch screen. Looks like the same aspect ratio, but this is of course a lot bigger. You have full HD IPS panel on the LG, and that will offer like a 400 pixel per inch density. This is a lower resolution screen, but because it's smaller, you're going to notice that the image quality is going to be very good on both of these devices. This is the Apple and this is the LG handset. Okay, besides this, on the front faces you have home buttons for both of this. It also has some capacitive buttons because this is Android, this is iOS. For Android you need buttons for menu, back, and all this kind of stuff. You also have some speaker grills here on top, and you have the cameras and the sensors and all this kind of stuff. Having a look around the back, well, you have cameras with flash on both of them. It's an 8 megapixel camera on this one, 30 megapixel camera on the LG. Both are LTE compatible, so nothing fancy here. About build quality, this is metal. You know that it's metal and glass, and it looks very nice. It definitely feels solid. It's very light, but also it's not going to be very reliable. This will scuff quite easily. This is plastic. It's just regular plastic with a nice pattern. It will scratch as well, but it will be easy to replace the back panel because this is removable. You can go ahead and remove it from here, and then you're going to access the battery. And this is a 3100 milliamp hour battery as opposed to the 1400-ish milliamp hour battery on the Apple iPhone i5, which means that at least in theory this one should last longer. Of course, the hardware is more powerful, and of course the screen is going to eat more battery, but it should last longer. In terms of operating system, you have Android on this one with a bunch of applications from LG, so not really the stock experience, but on this one it's iOS, so pretty standard. Also, having a look around the devices, you'll notice that this one, besides the power button and the volume rocker, micro USB slot, and all these things that you also find on the iPhone, except for you don't have micro USB, you have Lightning on the iPhone. There are a couple of extras. For instance, you have this button that will allow you to go to this annotation screen, where you can add things on top of your Android, on top of your regular screen. For instance, if you're here, just going to write a memo and have all those memos here, while the front face is locked. You have to press the button again, and you're going to be back in Android. And there's also this small antenna that allows you to, I don't know, offer you access to a bunch of interesting applications. For instance, probably going to have a WDR recording on this one, and you're going to be able to access TV station, stuff like this. Okay, let me see if I can get this back. Yeah, it looks a bit fragile. Okay, that's about it for now. Unfortunately, we don't know anything about the prices for this one. Will be available later this year in Q2 2012. The iPhone is already available in stores, so if you want something bigger than the iPhone, you should definitely have a look at the LG. It's fast, it's powerful, has an awesome screen, it looks good, and it should have an affordable price tag as well. Of course, this is more suited alternative for the Note 2 and some of the other large 5-inch plus Android devices available in stores. Not really an alternative for the iPhone 5. Okay, that's it for now. That was the Apple iPhone 5 and the LG Optimus G Pro. Thanks for